Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Glam Elegant Living Society, hosted by Really Good Living. Now the co-hostesses of this collab is Petalisbless, I Style My Style, Decorating Ann's Place, and DIY Design by CCW. So the rules of this collab were really simple. It was to pick any style or any color of your choosing, and it was to decorate pretty much any area of your home, like a tablescape, a DIY, vignette, hall, coffee table. You get the idea. So I decided to stick with the glam, and I also decided to stick with gray, and we're going to be using gems. So what we're going to be creating here today is two glam candle holders using the dowels from the Dollar Tree, using the wood pieces, and using the gems. This is going to come out absolutely gorgeous. So what we're starting to do here is we're going to paint all of the dowels, all of the wood pieces. We're going to paint them silver. And I did go back in with a darker gray just because it was not taking that metallic color that you see me using right here. So I was just kind of getting a feel of where I wanted to place them, and then I started gluing it, and so I had to pull that apart. So what we're doing right here now is we're going to glue the gems in between two dowels, and we're going to space it just enough to hold on to those gems. I'm going to start with the Gorilla Clear Grip and then a little bit of hot glue, and that's what we'll be doing here. This came out gorgeous. So while I'm gluing these gems to these dowels right here, I figured I'd take a moment and let you know that I'm going to link the host, Really Good Living, and the co-hostesses channels down below. We would love for you. We ask that you come on over to our channels, that you subscribe, that you fully watch the videos, and just really enjoy watching how everyone creates. I think it's wonderful. I'm loving the results of these candle holders. I think they're absolutely elegant in any area of your home. So I really do hope you enjoy this, and we're going to go ahead and reveal this 2 different ways. I decided to display this on my coffee table, and as you can see, this is so elegant, this is so glam. I'm absolutely loving it. I mean, not just here, but any area of your house, but right here it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm also going to be displaying this on my windowsill, so I cannot wait to show you that.